Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about the different type of domain extensions such as .com, .org, .net, etc. And also I will tell you which one is best for you. So what is domain extension? Well, domain extension is the last part of your website name or address. If your website name is tanjilahmad.com, then .com is the last part, and that's why it is the extension of your domain name. And Tanjil Ahmad is the name of your website, or I mean in this case my website, and .com is the extension. You must choose an extension when you buy or register a domain name. There are different kinds of domain extension you can choose, such as .com, .org, .net, .edu, etc. The full form of .com is .commercial, and the full form of .org is organization. It's used by charities, non-profit, etc. And full form of .net is network. It's used by network-related organizations. And .edu is mostly used by educational institutions. If you want to make a personal website, a business website, or a blog website, or a portfolio website, you can choose .com extension because it's popular and it's reliable and it's easy to remember. I also recommend the .com. Whatever business or whatever website you want to make, I recommend .com. Except if you want to make a charity website or a website for non-profit, I will suggest to choose .org extension, which is used for non-profit organizations. To buy a domain extension for around $10 to $15, and you can go to namecheap.com, or you can click on the link in the descriptions. You will be landed on this page, and now you can register the domain. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then please give a like. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer. And thank you for watching this video. Have a great time. And don't forget to give a like.